Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is Saturday the 30th of March. When I woke up this morning I was 62.05 kilo, so net loss of 300 grams since yesterday and a total loss of 8 kilos. So let's take a look at the number. Yesterday was my last day. So total calories for yesterday, 2084. 110.6 grams of protein. I walked 19,165 steps for 13.6 kilometers. It was a very good day. I broke my fast around 9:30 with a hot milk in coffee. Then I had my shake, had my salad, added dates to it, and muesli with oat milk. And then a bit later on, I had leek soup, seitan, green peas, basmati rice with crackers, gorgonzola, and 4 squares of chocolate for a total of 50 grams. Later on that night, we celebrated our departure. I had some biscuits, some cookies, cheesy chips, I guess. Anyway, so yesterday I did a leg workout and it was tough. I was really busy. So yeah, I hurt myself, my groin area, so it's a good thing that I hurt myself yesterday because I will have a few days of rest from that kind of training. But I'm gonna show you the result in my pants, how I fit in them. They were very tight 12 weeks ago. They're okay now. To even squat, can I squat? 28 for the waist. I can even squat in them. So my waist used to be 34, 28, so that's 6 inches in the waist. And my hips didn't even close like this here, remember? I cut it at 40 because there's nothing that I didn't think I needed more. And it was like this more. And now I am here. I hope I have helped you to see that it is hard for everyone. Through my example, I am unique, you are unique. I have a personal trainer, I am a fitness chef, I cook my own meals, and even then I have plateaued, I have thought it was hard. That's absolutely fine. It is hard for everyone. I'm very happy about the past 12 weeks. See you soon. Bye.